Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
Apple products are made with a variety of materials, and each product might have specific cleaning requirements, which vary by the part you are cleaning. Handle your iPad with care to maintain its appearance. If you are concerned about scratching or abrasion, you can use one of the many cases sold separately. Check out the link in the description below to get one. To get started, here are the steps to clean your iPad screen. Unplug all cables and turn off your iPad. To turn it off, press and hold the sleep-wake button, and then slide the on-screen slider. Use a soft, slightly damp lint-free cloth. Don't use window cleaners, household cleaners, abrasives, or cleaners containing hydrogen peroxide to clean iPad. iPad has an oleophobic coating on the screen. Simply wipe iPad screen with the soft, lint-free cloth to remove oil left by your hands. The ability of this coating to repel oil will diminish over time with normal usage. And rubbing the screen with an abrasive material will further diminish its effect and might scratch your screen. If you're looking for some items mentioned in this video, or maybe any products you're interested with, you may find it by following the link in the description below.